Hi guys, we're going to do fireworks. What time is it, Mommy? 7:30.
That is so late.
Wait, what time?
10:30.
10. I thought you said 7.
We were on a walk for almost like 10 hours.
Sure about that?
Like 3 because we
No,
went.
it wasn't.
We went to Dollar General. We were walking a long time. We went to Dollar General. I tripped and fell. So, yeah. Oh, and I hurt my hand. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it. Like, but it's kind of hurt.
Let me see.
Like,
oh, you just like heard it.
Yeah, because it's straight.
These stars are so pretty. I don't even know if you can't see them. But isn't the Big Dipper right above Grandma's house?
I think.
Isn't it, Mom?
Yeah.
We could do cartwheel. I got socks and slippers on. Babe, when do you cartwheel? Okay. Tell me what color their car is. Girl, are you good? Yeah, I'm running. What? Babe, she be coughing too much. Fanta.
Oh, I got this.
Let me see what it's called. Sun-kissed.
And it's blue.
She got the blue lemonade.
It just tastes like blue raspberry.
Probably. Been recording for 2 minutes.
Got my.
How long are we staying there?
I don't know.
Like 2 hours?
A little bit.
I got my phone. And my Minnie Mouse cup.
Mm-hmm.
Don't judge me. You can like Minnie Mouse at any age.
Girl, you're literally 7.
I know. You can like Minnie Mouse at any age.
I like Minnie Mouse. Only probably
like
Minnie
Minnie
Mouse.
I like Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, and Pluto, and what's that dog's name that is funny? That big dog, basically the villain? No, the big dog that's like the big fat villain? The big fat dog? Like the big fat dog? No, the one that owns Pluto.
Pluto?
Yes.
Oh.
What was that? Olivia, stop texting my mama. My mommy, not your mommy, okay? My mommy, not your mommy, okay, Olivia? Yeah. They're gonna find out who Olivia is. Then they're gonna track her. Ooh. Wait, who's gonna track her?
Want a race? I'm gonna count how many seconds it takes. Mommy, count. 3, 2, 1. Girl, I was in second. How many was that, Mom? Girl, you were counting by tens. You're counting
I counted
10,
really fast.
20. No, you didn't. So how many seconds was it?
I have no idea.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
I'm cold. I want to see it on your lip.
Whoa.
creepy crawler's in there is probably sleeping, I hope.
Where's the creepy crawler?
Right there. And that flying.
Look, all the. It's disgusting.
I killed I pinched the bag and killed flies in there.
It's disgusting. And I want to like. Girlfriend, what was that information?
Let's do that dance. You do the dance and then I'm gonna cover up your butt like when you do this. That.
Ew, what if Steve's?
No, he's asleep.
You don't know that.
Look at this. I will press the doorbell.
Stop! Don't.
Oh man.
Here, I'm just gonna get-
Flipped off.
Shake, 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 shake. Now the. Shake, shake, shake.
It's my back.
My Louis St. Louis shirt. Missouri.
Where is it?
This moment. Put a ring on my finger.
Who are you people?
Is that her car? No, it isn't.
What is that?
What type of car does she drive?
That silver Jeep.
Oh. Where is she? Oh, is she the girl that lives by the fireworks stand that sells the fireworks? Yes?
That's Candace.
Oh. We're going to Candace's house.
Yes.
Oh. What animals do they have?
This cat.
Are they nice kitty cats?
Not really.
Oh. I want to look at the kitty cats. Oh, are they like your dad's cats? Cat?
No, they're not that evil.
Oh.
They can be nice at times.
Wait, can I tell them what happened to you when the cat did it? Can I tell them what happened? Well, basically, her dad's cat is really mean.
Mommy,
It was walking
Grandma
around.
loves
She was
Jesus so much.
she
Look
was
it.
walking.
Her license plate's even about Jesus.
I know.
It was like walking. The kitty cat was walking, and then it bites her foot. Do you have a mark from it, Mom? Do you have a mark from the kitty cat?
I remember that time.
Do you have the mark from the kitty cat?
No.
Still? Oh. Did you get stitches?
I remember that time. That time was so scary. Kayla and Kylie were in the car, and I was so scared that the cat was in the car. I was like doing this, and it was so uncomfortable.
Was the cat in the car? Was it?
No, it was inside.
Why'd you think it was in the car then?
Because like sometimes it sneaks on my back and jumped on me.
Girl, stop lying.
It jumps on the bed
I gotta
sometimes.
go pee.
Oh, I'm coming in with you.
See.
Wait, you can't go in.
Well, oh yeah.
I'll pee over here.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna go wiener over there.
What the heck?
Why did I just say that?
What'd you say? Never mind. You can actually see it because of this little light.
Guys,
If you like a
for
picture,
Christmas, I want a GoPro. Like to record.
Same. I'm gonna get a GoPro. That's why me and Ella
Like,
are
I'm
selling
not putting none
that.
of it on YouTube. I just like.
Shh. Oh, it's one. Yeah, me and Ella making a bit.
It's
Oh.
cars.
No, I think that's an airplane. Me and Ella made a business, and like to that Just a Press video, that's Ella. A paper squishy business, and like we didn't get to sell anything yet because we didn't have the time to, and so we're gonna try getting a tripod first, and then when we make more stuff, we're gonna try getting a GoPro. Like Talking about the go.
Actually, guys, I don't want a GoPro. I want a silicone baby.
I'm talking about like the tripods that like a camera stand like that.
Oh, yeah.
That does that. So we can vlog. I'm vlogging right now with my hand.
And then the camera.
See? Hand. Hand.
More
Hand.
I can make YouTube videos on
Why is
this.
this so?
The YouTube videos are going to be called Mariah, I guess.
Ew, look. They got. There's too many bugs. Oh, they got my teeth.
Mommy, you left your cigarette. It's wrong.
Look at the baby cow. It's not a real cow. But today I saw. Shut up. But today I saw a horse, like in those horse cages that are on the road that drives. And it was so big. It was a big horse. Okay. It has been 11 minutes.
How long are they going to be here?
I guess I'll probably make 2 parts. Probably airplane. Guys, wait for me.
Sit down.
Okay.
Put one knee up and sit down. Wait.
Okay. We're just following you.
I don't need you to follow me.
Why?
Because I don't.
How bad? I'm gonna make part 2. Bye.